Central government na double standards foreign policy mayam lakwa we sir. Adagi state government na tawningi haiba wafam kaya DGP sindue hari ni central government na advisor to chief minister central government happy hari ni sir. Chief secretary direct central government happy hari ni. This is a question of Article 355 external aggression and internal intervention. This is very much related with the Article 355. Honorable Leader of the House na hari basuna dum signifies itself. Sidai sida ningsing bayai July ki tang 2023 Eric Garcetti, the ambassador of USA to India, mahakna mahaki tweet amsung aikoi ki national paper international paper kaya da thamki. US ready to help in Manipur if asked, says Eric Garcetti. Tang 2023 the thamki. Mr. Garcetti said, "We stand ready to assist in any ways if asked. We know it is an Indian matter, and we pray for peace and that it may come quickly, because we can bring more collaborations, more projects, more investments, if that peace is in the place." Karidamakta state asigi pikrab state asigi issue sibo America gi ambassador ramana internationally masi focus tawraibno. Washington DC da moigi newspaper amada Modi's sitting on the fence on the issues of Indo-Myanmar related matter. High the Washington DC da iki basa Modi ji honorable prime minister na Manipur gi amasung Myanmar gi issue India amasung Myanmar gi junta army gi lariba ihau masida alairiba Modi ji na masigi wain bichar asi taude democracy amarom da America da har American har ko dum inba amarom da China har ko dum China na dum har ko dum inba ngasai America gi Washington DC da phongba newspaper amada Modi sitting on the fence. Hi, why was and why is Mr. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi is silent on Manipur issue? Punamoksi America ki pressure, China ki pressure, Russia ki pressure, and the statements of the different ambassadors and countries. Masina maram oirkanda masigi issue si. Akoi Assam Rifle ki role at the state governments defunct tawriba the role masi punamoksi the failure of the foreign policies of India in Manipur gumbase. Masi the neglect to biba aduga aikoi leiriba aikoi protect onanaba the core issues of the chief ministers mapandagi changa iba foreign immigrants mayam sing ngai ngakti haibi issue the irang tauriba the core issues of the chief ministers. Now the actions taken by the union government masi punomoksi law in statements related with harakanda ngasi the reason why Mr. Prime Ministers of India didn't have any speech, did not visit Manipur so far, and this is all about the policies of the Indian government. I don't know, Maramurkanda, I quite confused the way, sir, the role of the Union government, the role of the state government, still we confuse. Statement, different versions, the role of the central government, the role of the state government, ngasi I state government ki tawudaba, the certain areas of the state government, ngasi su Delhi government na makut tingjan tawribagi maram punama asi yamna maru oi sir masi phajana ngasi homna clarify tawiu.
Honorable member Mary hoi jik thoi ba thodo wathok sigi responsibility lobo tabani government na lobo damni lobo tabani maram de khoi matam na thokpani na kana taina ni aduga sidai da sai honorable member na panbigi ba involvement of western country USA asidi Moidi akoi thukaina bodo hona leirabani adu moigi wasi akoi tagum sida moigi wasi akoi tagum sida moigi hani moigi colonial mindset to dum leiri ba moi akoi gi leiri ba core issue sida de compromise to gum se koi honorable membership aduna hingni dum koi hinga ga sulai PM silent like de kano honorable member me PM silent like de ina hajabuduni ahumlak ma Fazana Munata, I wonder, Sang Sang Bani Tina Tinangante, Sang Sang Bani. Adagi, Nahaniga, Unabukando the Su, Unabadu, Home Minister, Rajnath ji ne, adi PM ne, taurkanda इशूदो खरा लूरमिन तानसेना अखोई अहुम मरी दो पुन्ना दुम ताने इंडियन आर्मी सिंगी सिदा तौरिबा पोट मोइगी ngसागी आसाम राइफल की सही फजने प्राइस तौवे अदे होम मिनिस्टर ने सुनु सपोर्ट तौवे अदुई मतुंगदा मुक कनोगा पीएम ना मादी पीएम ने फोकस पेशन प्रायोरिटी नंग पीस द पियो पीस आना तो कना कना नो तौरगा पीस तो आई आईबी की कांगू अखोई सोम हुजिक आइना सुन खनबदा पार्लियामेंट का लोयरगा अखोई नाकल अनिमकी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव सिंह कौरकने न खले ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी मा तुमी लेते